Nighttime walk in the forest by the river. Oh, we forgot your light. He has a little light for his collar. Oh, we gotta sit on the bench. Okay, let's sit on the bench. No, it's not. Okay, let's go find the path to the river. There, that's better. Which way? Go this way. Easiest path. It's nice and cool down here by the river. Okay, I thought there was a path around here somewhere. This way. Yeah. This way. River. This way to the river. And the big path. It's just over here a little bit. And this way. Here. This way, this way, this way. Here. Yep. This way. No, this way. Here. Okay, that way. Yeah. This way. This way. The path is just over here. There it is. The path. Hey, this way. Okay, there is the bridge up there. We're walking under the bridge. Let's go on the dock. Hold on, stop pulling so hard. Now don't fall in the water. Oh, I see a satellite. Okay, let's go back on the path. Okay, I'm going to turn the flash off on the camera. And this is a USB charged flashlight. It's very strong. What do you think about that, hey? There, it helps you sniff stuff. It helps you sniff stuff. Let's go see over here. Hold on. Now don't fall down there. That's across the river. Stay here. Don't fall down there. Yeah, that's across the river on the other side. Alright, let's go on. I heard a beaver slapping his tail in the water twice. Let's see if he does it again. I don't think it was an otter. I've seen otters in this. Yeah, that's what it was. Beaver. Somewhere over there, beaver slapped his tail in the water. You know what a beaver is? No, you don't know what a beaver is. What's that noise, eh? That was a beaver. Let's listen, maybe we can hear him again. Listen. What's it? It's a beaver. Yeah, beaver. Guess we're not going to hear him again. Okay. Lots of mushrooms. I wonder what kind of plant that is, the big leaves. I'm sure that's a school of fish. Jumping around in there. Careful on the edge. Yeah, those are fish. It's a very bright moon out. What do you think about that? Eh? What you hear? What you see? Oh, a duck. That's a duck. That's a birdie. It's another birdie. Yeah, you never heard those before. Those are ducks. Those are birdies. That's a type of birdie. Like, you know, the crow? The crow goes, wah, wah, wah. That's a birdie. This is a different birdie. Okay, let's go. Well, it's cold enough to see our breaths. We walked from bridge to bridge. And then we go back. Look around here a little bit, and then we'll go back. Okay? Go back home? You don't want to go back home? We'll look here a little bit, and then we'll go. There's something down there. It's an otter or a beaver down there. I saw him. Now I don't see him. He's rustling around there. Swam that way. Probably gone. Finnegan heard it too. Okay, let's go. You bored? It's laying down. Almost back at the car. There's the bridge again.